Son of a gun. I shouldn't have done so much bragging on our hurricane straps.
Now it's getting with it.
Yeah, oh, their arrows pivot. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, there goes the pivot. It's going right over the pivot.
Dalinda's not there.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's raised up, isn't it?
Oh, God. Oh, we're going to see a trampoline in a minute. Oh, no, it's just fucking loose! Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh.
House is still there. They lift it up. We should probably be calling somebody. I mean,
Yeah, but there's a
surely
tornado spotted.
somebody else has reported it.
Oh, 911.
Yeah, I think so. Say, on the ground, 2 3/4. We better go.